Hi, fabulous math learners. Today we're doing 9 times 25 and Louis here to share his strategy with us.
Yeah.
Okay, how are you going to think about this?
Can we split the 26.5 into 25?
Okay, so you're going to decompose the 26.5 into 25. Okay.
And then 1.
Okay.
And then 0.5.
Okay. So you're going to go 9 times 25 and add that to 9 times 1 and then add that to 9 times 0.5. So let's go ahead and write this down. So, sorry, 1 second. So 9 times 25, what does that equal?
It's equal to 25, 50, 75, 100. So now I know that 4 is equal to 100. So then 200, and then plus 1 more to get 225.
Okay, so 225. Okay, and then 9 times 1, that's pretty easy, isn't it?
And then 9 times 1 is equal to 9.
Okay, and then 9 times 0.5. What's that equal to?
Well, let's do 0.5, then 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and then 4, 4.5. So it's equal to 4.5.
Or it's just 9, it's a half a 9, right?
Yeah.
And half a 9 is 4.5.
Yeah.
Okay, now we just have to add all these together. So 225 plus 9, Louis?
It's equal to 234.
Yeah, because you could just add 10 and then minus 1. So 225 plus 10 would be 235 minus 1, 245.
Yeah.
Okay, so 234.
4.
Right? Okay, now we have to add another 4.5.
So out of 4, so let's think of it just as the 4s.
Yeah.
So 234 plus 4 is equal to 238, and plus a 0.5 to get 238.5.
Wow, that was so amazing. High five, buddy.
Thanks. Bye. Hi everyone, today we're doing 9 times 26.5 tongue twister. And we have Mark here to help us with today.
Hey Anna, thanks. I hear that you've got a great idea to share with everyone.
Yep.
And why don't you walk me through it and I'll record your idea.
Sure.
Okay.
So Mark, instead of doing 9 times 26.5, almost messed up there again, I want to do 10 times 26.5.
Okay, so you want to think about this as 10 groups of 26.5 instead of 9 groups of 26.5. Why?
Because now, Mark, we only have to move that little dot that you call a decimal over here.
Okay, so what's this? What is 10 times 26.5?
265.
Okay, but we're not done, are we?
No.
Okay.
Because I said 10 instead of 9. So now, Mark, we have to minus 1 group of 26.5.
Okay, so what's 265 minus 26.5?
Well, let's find that out now.
Yeah.
So, Mark, I split this into 26.
Yep. So we'll split it into 20 and
6.5.
6.5.
6.5.
Okay. Then what?
Now, I'm going to minus this 20 to the 6 here.
Ah, what are you left with?
I'm left with 4. So 245.
245. And then what?
Now I have to minus that 6.
Yeah.
Now for now, I'm going to only minus 5.
Ah, so you're going to split this again into 5 and 1.5.
A lot of splitting.
Okay. Then what?
Well, now I'm going to minus this 5 to the 45. Because then I get a nice friendly number of 40.
Right. So then if you have 240 and you've got to take away 1.5.
Well, 39 minus 0.5 equals 238.5. So that's 238.5.
Okay, so 9 times 26.5 is 238.5.
.5.
Nice idea.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.